there. This is Sue-Anne Hickey, certified naturopath and weight loss specialist, and I am with
Nicole. Hi guys. I'm a Reiki master and naturotherapist.
And today, we were talking about how when I first started 12 years ago helping my clients eat healthily, help them with weight loss and learn how to heal their ailments, I focused at the beginning really all on the diet. And after a while, I realized the importance of mindfulness and getting below the surface to the thoughts and emotional eating for them to have the success that they needed. And I wanted to reach more people, so I thought, who better to help me out than the expert on mindfulness, Nicole?
Thanks. I'm really excited to be doing this workshop. It's going to be really fun because we're going to explore the mind, body, and spirit dynamic. What I really like about incorporating spirit and spiritual energy into our work when we're eating healthy is that it can just really help support you and help you focus on your goals. It can help you overcome your struggles. It's something that you can connect to while you're going through this process. And and right now, like even for some of my clients, I do some crystal healing layouts to help them focus on their eating goals and losing weight.
Yeah, so we're super excited. We have so many tools to share, how to catch those thoughts before they take hold in your brain and eradicate them, and everything about mindfulness. It's going to be so amazing. So we can't wait to share this with you. The workshop's going to be on September the 18th in Beaconsfield in the Bow Repair Village in my office.
Yeah.
And we only have room for 13 people, so we're going to be posting the link below. Sign up and there will be more information, and we can't wait to see you there.
Yeah, that sounds good. I'm looking forward to working with you guys and sharing some mindful tips to help you eat and be healthy.
Yes, so hope to see you there. Take care. Thanks for watching.
Take care. Bye.